Hello and welcome. Thanks for joining me. I'm Kevin, and this is the Real Laptop Lifestyle. Today's subject is going to be affiliate secret system, or all about the affiliate secret system. So let me tell you more about it. Let's get straight into it. If I look a little bit brighter than I did a moment ago, I've had to put more light on. It's really dark outside here today in the autumn. Okay, so if you're involved with affiliate marketing, if you want to get involved with affiliate marketing, drive affiliate traffic, make affiliate profits, and I can't blame you because they really are worth making, then you need traffic. We all need traffic in affiliate marketing. Without it, we don't have a business, zilch, nada, nothing. So you're about to discover how to drive unlimited streams of targeted traffic. In fact, 10 new streams of targeted traffic. This should quite easily double, treble, or quadruple your present profits, perhaps much more. It's going to give you much greater business opportunity. By the way, if you stay to the end of this short video, I'm going to show you how you can stay up to date and get lots more information like this right here. Now, to get through to this page, just click on the link directly below this video and it will bring you to this page, which is my bonus page. You see, I have 5 really nice bonuses for you. We'll get to those in just a moment. But first, let's go through this page. Now, you'll never need to pay for traffic again because you're going to get 10 free traffic driving methods. Now, this is Dord. Dord is the creator of this package, and he's a really intelligent man, and I think he presents this really well and he teaches this really well. So come into here, play his video, listen to what he has to say, and this is him inside the members area. Now, I was in here just a few minutes ago and I went through all 10 of these traffic methods and I was really impressed. There's some I'm going to try myself because, well, I just haven't used them or heard of them before, and I think they're going to be very productive. Dawn also here shows you how much he's been earning. He gives you 2 lots of proof. So I think he has 2 different accounts. $15 so far today. Yesterday he earned 148. Now, if you can do that every day, it starts getting interesting. And obviously he is doing it because over the last 7 days, he's earned 5,158 on this occasion and 8,178 over 30 days. He has another proof grab here, and yesterday is 1,700. It'd be nice to have those every day. Today 1,700, yesterday 1,600, last 7 days 3,512, last 30 days 4,300, 930. So if you're interested in this, what's it going to cost you? Well, I told you to be sitting down when I got to this bit. It's going to cost you $11.95. However, to make more money, of course you want to make more money. Everyone wants to make more profit. Dawn has got some additional offers. They're called one-time offers, OTOs. And OTO 1 is really interesting because he's telling you here that you can plug any affiliate offer or URL. You can drive traffic or your affiliate offer to any choice of my networks of 25 sites with over 14,000 members and enjoy virtually unlimited traffic on demand. So that is a traffic system you can plug straight into. That'll cost you $37. Now, one-time offers tend to get more expensive as they go forward because they give more value. His second OTO gives you 6 free solo ads to his entire network of 16,000 contacts plus. Really worth doing. What's got my interest here is his OTO 3. That's $97, and it's going to give you another product called Moolah. And I've seen this advertised just recently. It's a really interesting product. I'm going to look seriously at it. But you can repackage this, resell it as many times you like, and you can keep 100% of the commissions across the whole funnel. And what I mean by the whole funnel, they always have these OTOs. So it might only be $12 or $15 on the front end. But then, as you can see, if it's got a funnel like this one and people buy the entire funnel, you're suddenly making a lot of income. His fourth OTO is something that will appeal to some of you. It would certainly appeal to me. He's giving you 6 months of one-to-one coaching. That's one-to-one, him with you, helping you with any of these 10 traffic driving methods. So that's exactly what you're getting. I have 5 additional bonuses for you, and here they are. By the way, you only get these bonuses by coming through to this page. Remember, you click directly below this video and click on my button, and then you'll get all of these bonuses as well. Now, I obviously think that you're interested in driving as much traffic as possible. And right now, Instagram is really hot for driving traffic. I'm using it myself, playing with it. And I'm going to give you a bonus on this. It's called Marketing Made Simple and Profitable on Instagram. Bonus 2 is about how to explode your YouTube channel. Now, I'm working on this right now. I've been working online for years and years and years, but I've never really worked on my YouTube channel before. And when I got into seeing what the profitability was, what the potential was, it's huge. So you might want to learn about this also. I'm going to give you another bonus, which is an entire product. It's called Printly. It's a tried, tested, and proven winner. I know 2 people who make quite a lot of income out of this. I think one makes his entire income out of it at the moment. I'm going to give you 2 new Facebook products because I think Facebook is a great way of driving traffic. There's a lot of tricks in there you can use. And you get all of these for absolutely nothing if you buy Tiger's traffic through this link here. If you click this link, it'll take you through to Door's sales page. All you have to do is purchase. When you come to get your purchase, it will bring you, I'm not sure if this is Warrior Plus or JV Zoo, but it'll bring you to a page like this, and you click the green button to access your products. But if you want my bonuses as well, then you simply come back, click the blue button, and you will get a list of all of these for you to download, for you to enjoy online. So that's Tiger's traffic. Tell me, do you have any comments or questions? If so, you can ask them below. I'd like to ask you a question, which is, did you like this video? If so, please give me a blue thumbs up. If you didn't, give me a blue thumbs down. I'd rather the blue thumbs up though. Please consider subscribing to my channel. It's the red link below this video. Do this and I'm going to keep you informed of all new videos I make. I make quite a few of them, and rather than digging about and wondering if I've made any, by clicking that little bell next to it, every time you come to YouTube, it'll tell you, you know, I've made a new video, and it'll tell you the title, and you can come through to it if you wish. That's one way of keeping up to date with information from me. Another way is by joining my email list. Now I have a list called profit generating emails, and to get that profit generating emails, just click on this globe here on the front of my YouTube channel. You see a little globe on the right hand side. Click that, it'll bring you through to this page. Click the subscribe and I'll keep you entertained, I'll keep you up to date, and if it's not for you, you can unsubscribe at any time. Look, I've really enjoyed making this video for you, so a really big thank you for coming here today. You have fun. I look forward to speaking to you in the next video, or perhaps even in an email. Bye bye for now.